Have you ever woken up and thought, I really need to fix my life today? Well, guess what? You can. And it doesn't take months or years, just one day. I know it sounds crazy, right? How can you fix everything in a single day? But here's the deal. It's all about action. If you want to make a serious change, it has to start right now. You see, you've probably been stuck in the same cycle for a while. You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But guess what? Tomorrow never comes. But today is different. This is your do or die moment. So, what can you do in just one day to turn things around? If you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a chance to rise and grow. Let's keep pushing forward together. Let's break it down. Step 1. Take ownership. The first thing you need to do is own up to your situation. Stop blaming circumstances, other people, or bad luck. If you want change, you're the only one who can make it happen. Look in the mirror and say, today, I take control. Step 2. Clear out the clutter. Clutter isn't just physical, it's emotional too. If your mind is filled with chaos, how can you focus? Take today to clean up your environment, your thoughts, and your priorities. Throw out the old habits, toxic relationships, and anything that holds you back. Make space for new energy to flow in. Step 3. Start with small wins. You might be thinking, how can I fix my entire life in one day? Well, start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Small wins lead to big wins. Make your bed, organize your desk, drink a glass of water. It's all about momentum. Every small step builds towards something bigger. You'll be amazed at how quickly things can shift. Step 4. Take massive action. Now here's the kicker. You have to take massive action today. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or until you feel motivated. Motivation follows action, not the other way around. Do that thing you've been putting off, even if it's scary, especially if it's scary. Because one day isn't just about doing one task, it's about doing everything you've been putting off all at once and realizing that you can. And that, my friend, is the power of a single day. So, today is the day. The day you take control, clear the clutter, and make that change. This is your moment. Don't waste it. All right, that's it for today. Remember, the power to change is in your hands. I'll see you in the next video, where we keep pushing forward together. Let's rise and grow.